Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here and spending some time with me. Today, I wanted to organize my pantry. This is from Target, and I just love the way it fits here in this space, and it just gives me some more extra storage for my small items that I have. There's always a plus when we have extra space, and I ordered these from Amazon. They are some storage organizers, and I'm not usually the aesthetic person that likes to buy these type of containers or spend money on them, but I found some great deals on Amazon and I went ahead and bought them. They also come with these little tags here, but I will not be using those. So without further ado, let's get started. This is everything that I will be organizing, and hopefully everything will fit right on my little storage cabinet. Everything is stacked up, stocked in these little containers, and I must say the quality of these organizers are so good. And now let's start to organize everything. And I am so surprised, friends, that I had containers left over, so everything that I did not use, I was able to store it up in this little pantry as well. So the space is definitely very good for us. It's just my husband, Nazi, and myself, and we buy groceries at least every 2 weeks, and we just buy the necessities for us. Nazi likes his own snacks, and everything was able to fit very well in this small pantry. I try to plan out my meals throughout the week, so everything is very well planned. Here are some noodles that Nazi likes on the right hand left corner. As you can see, everything is well organized, and I am just so pleased with how everything turned out. I am so in love with my little pantry. This is everything that I have left in case in the future I might need some, and everything fit very well organized here. And then on the bottom, friends, I was able to organize my cleaning supplies for laundry, for mopping my floors, my detergent, my softener. wanted to share with you some affordable ideas for spring. These plates, I got them from Target Dollar Spot. I've had them for years and they've held up so nicely, and I love the colors, the tones, because I can use them spring, summer, easily also going into fall. These charger plates, I got them from Dollar Tree, and these little woven placemats are from Hobby Lobby. I got them on sale, and I just love how everything looks together. Of course, you know I love adding greenery to my decor, and I got these little napkins from At Home Store. They were 50% off, and I just love that I did not have to go out and buy new decor to decorate my dining set, and I love the way it looks. It gives a pop of spring going into summer to my home. These little candle holders, the color is so beautiful. I got them from Target Dollar Spot as well. They were $5 and they came with 2 candles. This little wicker tray is from Dollar General and it was $6. So I was putting my head together trying to do a little pretty vibing, springy centerpiece, and I love how everything turned out, and just the combinations of textures and colors brings so much sunshine into the space. I hope you like these ideas, friends. Remember, we do not need to spend a lot to decorate our homes. Simply let's just shop around and see what we can put together to create cozy spaces. Thank you so much, friends. I will see you in the next video.